Store for tonight with weather, although we do have a very outside shot of an isolated shower thunderstorm, but we want to send it to our ABC7 weather deck up on the ABC7 rooftop, and that's where we have our meteorologist Katie Frazier. And Katie, a little muggy out there and rather hot too.
That's right, Dave. It feels good after being in the cold studio, but it is hot and it's very bright. I could hardly even keep my eyes open. But the KVIA traffic and weather app saying it's 95 degrees out right now. And you know what? We've reached 18 triple-digit days so far this year. Now, compared to last year, by last year, we have reached 31 triple-digit days. So it's been a bit cooler over here, probably because of all that rain we've been dealing with. But Dave, I know you have a look at some of the models.
Yeah, you know, it is nice to stay away from the triple-digit heat compared to what we had last year. And you know what? Usually right around August 2nd, not too far away, is when we typically end seeing triple-digit temperatures. I mean, that's kind of the average cutoff time period. But, boy, it would be nice. We're not going to be looking at what we had last year, but it would be nice to maybe keep those triples maybe right around 20 or so. But let's look at Doppler radar. We're not tracking a whole lot out there. There's a look at El Paso County. You can see fairly dry. Doña County got a nice little cell north of Chaparral, just to the southeast of you folks in Las Cruces. I mean, this one's not bad. Not seeing any lightning right now, but certainly one we're going to be watching. Look at Alamogordo. Here's Highway 54. So east and west of Highway 54, we're tracking some thunderstorms. These are some pretty good rainers, by the way. You get underneath one of these things right around White Sands, you're going to see some pretty good rain coming out of that. And then farther to the north of Alamogordo, right around Kearney, there's Tularosa. We still have some scattered showers, which are developing out there. Our latest future track computer model, short-term model, indicating that a lot of these showers will continue to come to an end and weaken a bit as we lose the daytime heating as the sun starts to go down. But we'll have to watch for those little outflow boundaries that develop as these storms weaken. They send out that gust of wind, and then we could hence see some maybe additional storms like we saw last night and into the early morning hours last night. Look at Wednesday again. We're going to be looking at just some isolated showers. So far this month, 4.60. We're nearly at 8 inches. And so far this month, we have 4.32 in the rain gauge. You folks in Las Cruces this month, 1.68 year to date. You're looking at 3.44 last year for the entire year. You had 7 inches of rain. All right, watch over the next several days. 96 tomorrow, 92, 93. Rain chances will be slight, 10% tomorrow, and anywhere from a 10 to 20% chance over the next several days. Here's your weekend. Little bit of an uptick in the rain chances, 30%. Once we head into Saturday, notice how the temperatures will cool down into the 80s as we bring in some more clouds, a little more moisture, and then early next week we'll have those temps back in the low 90s, by the way, which is below the average for this time of year. We'll take a break. Be back after this.